Taking care of your skin shouldn't be something that's only limited to women, and I feel like with guys in general, we have bigger pores to begin with, so we actually have to take care of our skin even more. My name is Arthur, and I just finished using this SuperNAD mask by Invity a couple minutes ago, and I just wanted to share with you the immediate results after using this mask. Every time I use this mask, it leaves my skin feeling really bright and moisturized. And not only is NAD known for its great anti-aging benefits, but I also feel like this mask really helps me with reducing pigmentation, especially under my mask area, which has obviously been suffering a lot during this pandemic. Having only used this SuperNAD mask for the past month, I've already been seeing some very noticeable changes in the condition of my skin. I feel like sheet masks are a great, convenient way for guys to take care of their skin because you only have to slap this on your face for around 15 to 20 minutes. Afterwards, you peel it off. You don't even have to wipe anything out, and you can just let the product absorb into your skin. So yeah, this has definitely been my favorite product recently, SuperNAD mask by Invity. You guys should definitely try it out.